Welcome everyone. Every morning at 7:15, Ananya found herself squeezed into the same overcrowded Mumbai city bus, clutching the overhead rail, and every morning she spotted Arjun from the marketing department in the same seat, scribbling in a notebook. Today, the bus jerked suddenly, sending Ananya stumbling into the empty seat behind him. Sorry, she mumbled. Arjun looked up, surprised. They had exchanged office smiles for months, but never really talked. It's fine, he replied, quickly closing his notebook, but not before Ananya glimpsed the heading Dreams 2025 with more crossouts than actual text. You are always writing in that, Ananya observed. Must be important? Arjun shrugged. Just some goals I keep trying to set, though they never seem to work out. Over the next few days, their bus conversations became routine. Arjun revealed his dream of creating educational apps for children. I want to create something meaningful, he explained as rain pounded against the bus windows. I have been saying that for 3 years, but I am just still thinking about it. What's stopping you? Ananya asked. I write these big dreams, create a revolutionary app, quit my job by December, but they feel so huge that I never know where to start, so I just don't. Ananya nodded. Her own dreams of becoming a digital content specialist remained just that, dreams. Each evening, she returned to her small apartment, exhausted from unfulfilling work, promising tomorrow would be different. One humid morning, Ananya boarded with unusual energy. Have you ever heard of SMART goals? She asked, settling beside Arjun. He shook his head. It's an acronym. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. The reason most goals fail is because they are too vague and overwhelming. Arjun raised an eyebrow. Like create a revolutionary app? Exactly, Ananya laughed. But what if instead you wrote, complete the wireframe for one educational game app by next Friday? It's specific about what you will do. You can measure when it's done. It's achievable in a short time frame. It's relevant to a bigger dream, and it has a deadline. The bus hit a pothole, jolting everyone, but Arjun did not seem to notice. He opened his notebook to a fresh page. So instead of writing Change Education in India, try create a prototype math game for 8 to 10 years old that teaches multiplication through cricket themes by August 15th, Ananya suggested. They spent the rest of their commute rewriting his goals using the SMART framework, breaking each massive dream into specific, actionable steps with clear deadlines. Our brains get overwhelmed by big goals but respond well to clear, achievable tasks, Ananya explained. Each small win releases dopamine that motivates us to keep going. 3 months later, their bus rides had transformed into accountability meetings. Arjun had completed his first game prototype and was testing it with his nieces and nephews. Ananya had enrolled in a digital marketing certification and started freelancing on weekends. I presented my app to that educational startup yesterday, Arjun announced one morning. They want to partner on developing it further. Ananya beamed. That was goal number 12 on your SMART list. The bus rumbled through the familiar route, but everything else has changed. Their notebooks now contain check marks instead of crossouts and specific next steps instead of vague dreams. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.